About 3 dozen tires are changed every day at Hay Tire Pros here on Savannah Highway in West Ashley, but it's taking weeks instead of days for some cars to get new wheels. Time was ticking for Sean Foxworth to get a new set of tires.
It's crunch time, trying to plan a trip. So yeah, that was important.
And unfortunately for him, he had to wait a little longer because of shipping delays and labor shortages.
And, we were shopping around at different brands.
Hay Tire has been working to find the right set of wheels for Foxworth.
One's made in America, no problem. But the premium Asian tires, those are the ones we're having problems with. They're just stuck on ships off of the West Coast.
Foreign tires are taking the longest to make it to the shop. And Hay Tire is also running out of different types of oil, and some premium car parts are on back order.
Anything with microchips, used to be 15-minute parts delivery. Now we're looking at hours, sometimes days before parts are even available.
When products do become available, there's still another hoop to jump through.
And it's causing all kinds of stresses. Then you add chassis shortages, driver shortages, truck shortages. It's a real problem.
To keep helping customers, Hay has more tires in stock than before. Wherever they're finding them, they're buying them.
So we've stocked up on everything that we can get. We're buying in, stocking up so that we can make it through this coming shortage.
Arnold Height, an economics professor at Charleston Southern University, says that the general rise in prices that we see is a result of the millions of buyers and sellers negotiating these market changes. The shortages and rising prices we see won't end until prices catch up to the economic simulation that has already occurred. For Foxworth, he got his tires that came from overseas in about 2 weeks.
And he was able to at least tie them up. It took a while to get here, but yeah, he assured me that they were on the way.
Hayes says that despite the shortages, sales are up over 30% compared to last year since more cars are on the road as pandemic restrictions have eased. Reporting in West Ashley, I'm Forrest Tucker. Count on 2.